Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. If you have an iPhone XS or later, HDR features are available. Once done, update iOS to the latest build so settings match what I describe. Make sure the phone has power and some free storage. HDR needs a bit of space to process. Now open Settings and tap Camera. Do not go into Photos yet. You will change camera controls first so the camera app can deliver HDR output every shot. Once in Camera Settings, enable Smart HDR or Auto HDR. This tells the system to combine exposures for better highlight and shadow detail. Make sure Keep Normal Photo is on if you want both HDR and the original image. Otherwise, you'll only keep the processed file. For HDR video, go to Record Video and switch on Dolby Vision or the available HDR video option. This requires newer hardware but gives true HDR footage. After toggling, return to the camera app and verify the controls appear. Now open the camera app and confirm you see an HDR or Dolby Vision badge. If you don't, tap the arrow or control strip to expose the HDR toggle and enable it per shot. Shoot a few test frames in high-contrast scenes to judge results. HDR will preserve highlights while lifting shadow detail. If the option is still missing, restart the phone, confirm the iOS update completed, and check screen time or configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.